You too, man. I'm back, man, with another video, man. So look, now we switching up the content. We're not really vlogging. That wasn't me, that was my shoe. But we're not gonna really be vlogging. We're gonna switch it over to barber content, because that's what I'm trying to get into. So, into this today, I'm gonna show y'all how I cut my own hair, and then I'll put some clips up at the end of the video on how I used to do my hair versus what y'all about to see. So without further ado, let's get into the self-cut, man. Okay, first we're gonna start off by setting our ball line, and I don't know if you really can tell, but I'm setting it in like a triangular type or like a curved typed way to give it a better effect on the haircut. Okay, now I'm gonna go in no guard lever open for my first guideline, and as you can see, I'm using my corners. Always use your corners. Okay, as y'all can see in this one, my lever is halfway open. I'm doing that to soften the line so I can close the lever and fully get that line out, that first guideline. Okay, now that that line's out, I'm on to the one guard lever open, setting my second guideline. I'm making sure to go over that line multiple times to make sure everything's at the same length. Okay, I got my half guard on, lever closed. I'm flicking at that line. Flick below the line to the line to get that guideline out. Okay, sometimes the half guard is not going to get that line all the way out. So what you do is you take that guard off and have your lever open, and you just flick at that line to get the rest of it out. Okay, so here I don't strongly recommend. I recommend you to get your 2 guard and set the other guideline. But just because I cut my hair like a week before that, I got my 1.5 guard and just flicked at that line and played with my lever to fade that part out. Okay, but this part I do recommend when you do use that 1.5 guard. Um, and just like with the 0.5 guard, that 1.5 guard is not gonna get the line out all the way. So you get that one guard lever open and you flick at that line to get the rest of it out. Okay, now I'm using no guard, lever open, using my corners, detailing my work, flicking at any dark spot that I do see, and I am being very, very careful because if I mess up here, I would have to higher up the fade. Okay, now that I'm cutting the back, I'm not gonna talk that much because with hair cutting, it's the same thing every time. No matter if you're doing the sides, no matter if you're doing the back, no matter if you're doing an all-around fade, you stick to your steps and you complete all your steps in hair cutting. while I'm just here, I was thinking, so the people who cut their own hair, and you're talking to a female or something, and they send you money to go get a haircut, what do you do with that money? You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments. Drop them below, because I'm really curious. I really want to know. Okay, as y'all can see, the back taper is finished. Now we're on to the lineup part. You see, you just tap at that line and brush. When you finish doing your lineups, any lineups, the neck lineups, regular lineups, when you go over once, brush it down to make sure there ain't no leftover hairs, and then keep going over it a few extra times. Okay, my old school barbers, y'all not gonna like this, but to the new school barbers, y'all gonna love this, man. All right, so like, I'm a barber who just started using enhancements, and ever since I started using enhancements, my clientele's been boosted. So I don't recommend this to any barber who just started, for fresh in barber school or any of that. Make sure your hairlines are crispy before you're doing it. Me right now, I'm gonna apply enhancements, even on myself, and that's just me practicing putting enhancements because I want to make it look as natural as possible. Y'all seen the haircut, man. Look, if y'all want more haircut tutorials, like, comment, subscribe on this one, and let me know what type of content y'all want to see next. Do y'all want to see more barber content? Do y'all want to see me vlog again? Do y'all want, you know what I'm saying? Just like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I know the audio changed because I took my mic off because I'm trying to find something for it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Key 2Shifty is back, and hopefully forget, everything. One goal at a time, one mission at a time, all 2026. Discipline and consistency is what we're going for. So, without further ado, I'll see y'all in the next one.
Bitch, she a dancer. Oh my gosh, she hot. That little bitch, she a cancer. She for me like a thing. Going prison, I can't live her pussy about just